In this video, we're going to attempt to sign in to LYNX Whiteboard using a Gmail account. So on the website, I go to sign in. I select Google as my method, and it will try to establish a link out to my Google account, from where I will then be able to give permission. So we're going to go with this brand new Gmail address that I've set up, LYNXface, please don't judge me. And we'll click on there and we're going to hit continue. We're going to give permission for the LYNX cloud to be able to access my Google Drive, and we shall hit continue again. So now we can see that I am signed in with my new LYNXface account, and so it's done it for me automatically. Easy as that.